Are you tired of spending countless hours scouring the internet for the best gaming deals, or wondering how long it'll take to beat that new game you just bought? Welcome to Website Highlights, where I introduce you to some of the most useful websites that will make your gaming life easier. First up, let's talk about OS Game Clones. This website is a treasure trove for fans of classic games, especially since this is a dedicated website for listing open source remakes of popular games, such as Doom, Morrowind, and a bunch of other random ones. But think of it this way, you're playing these old games, but with a modern look. But think of it this way, someone out there took the time to take your favorite game and turn it into something that you can easily run on your modern operating system. There's a lot of games on this website, and since this is a massive list, I would just use Control F to take a look around. The next site is There Any Deal? As gamers, we all love a good bargain, and this website is your ultimate companion for finding the best deals. What this does is aggregate prices from multiple different storefronts, ensuring you never miss a sale, from the likes of Steam, GOG, or Humble Bundle. Like for example, let's say I want to look up Elden Ring, and shows which is the best. Plus, if you make an account, you can easily wishlist your games and get notifications of any notable discounts. Plus, there's also an extension for your web browser in case you don't want to keep going to that website all the time too, so I would take advantage of that. And then lastly is How Long to Beat It. You ever wondered how long it would take to beat a certain game? Well, this goes into detail. For instance, let's look at Elden Ring again, since it's on the front page. Damn, that's a long time. But you're definitely getting your money's worth. This site is a fantastic resource that provides estimated completion times for thousands of games. It does this by collecting data from players worldwide and offers a range of times for different aspects of the game, such as the main story, side quests, or if you want to complete everything. But yeah, this is a great site for if you're looking to plan something like a weekend gaming marathon, or just to know how long that JRPG that you're planning on buying will take to finish. But that's it. 3 awesome websites that you can bookmark today. Be sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more of these kinds of videos, as well as the next episode of Website Highlights. Of course, the links will be in the description below. But thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.